Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Eze Ebube on the piano. Eze Ebube, see how far you've done. Eze Ebube, I've been da 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 da. All my days I will sing your name. Da, 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 da. And if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. So let's dive right into it. So it starts with this 1/4 movement. So more than da 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 da. I'm so sure. Then they do this. See how far you've gone. They say I'm so I can see, I can tell, I can know it's your time to do. So basically, the first this thing was more the da 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 da. So it's just one chord to the 4, one chord to the 5. So da 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 da. I'm so sure. Then they did this. So, but on your right hand is. On your left hand is. So together. So. If you want to spice that place up, you gotta. Easy. I can see, I can tell, and I know it's your grace all my day. It's very easy. So the bridge is. If you want to spice it up, gotta see how far you've gone for. Easy, I'm so loud. I can see, I can tell, and I know. So that's a B flat drop two, drop two, B major drop two. All my day, I will sing. So one, do more than da 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 da. You can see to the 5, to the 1, do. Then they do that. I'm so sure 5. Then they did that movement. That is what made this song, Shem. This party big bass, bass, bass. And you can even use this as a jam, you know. Let's do something. Let's do something. You see what I did there? Instead of going to the 5, instead of doing easy to the 5, but I did a 3 on steroids. See? So easy, moving, da 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 da, woo, easy, hey, hey. Then to the 1, I can see the gospel welcome. Is your grace all my days. I sincerely hope this helps you now know how to play your Eze Ebube. So